sure hope this shows up. The colors, the different colors of the water is incredible out here. You can see the shallows are a reddish orangey color, and then it gets into a greenish blue, and then there's a drop off, and the deep is a dark blue. It's so pretty here. For some reason there's a wall out there. At one point in time that must have been for shipping, although there's nothing really here right now. The water in Mackinac is just crystal clear. Perfect blue sky. This is all fossils in here. This whole surface, look at that. There's a nice mess of fossils in that one. Right here. I hope that shows up well. That's all fossils. Everything. This is every single thing we're walking on. There's a piece of coral. Everything out here, just all fossils. All the bedrock here and everything is fossils. All this is broken up pieces of fossils. Oh wow, look at that one. That's a big chunk of coral. Look at this piece. That's a huge chunk of coral. Look at the grain in that. That's all one chunk. Here's a little one there. Saw that a minute ago. Oh, Mom is handing me some. Look at that. Oh, cool. Look at that. That's all pieces of coral. Well, guys, we're going over. Oh, look at the color. You get that really well? Caught up with us over here, and we're going across Mackinac Bridge, which is 5 miles long.
We're in the bridge.
Stop. There's the ferry. Kicking up a rooster tail. It's Mackinac Island on the right. This bridge is going between the Lower Peninsula of Michigan to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, separated by the Great Lakes. To the right is Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and to the left is like, or is it, I got it backwards. The heat's got to my head.
Look at the bridge, Mizzy.
Yeah, left is Lake Michigan, right is Lake Huron.
Oh, there's a big bag. Oh, Daddy, what's that? What's that?
It's cooler here, isn't it?
Daddy, what's
Yeah.
What's that?
It's
That's,
like,
what are you looking at, the bridge?
yeah, this tunnel, like this one. This building thing.
Look at the sandbar out here. You see that lighter color?
I hope the camera will get it.
Yeah, I know you can't see anything on the camera.
It's really hard to see. Yeah, I think it did.
Yeah. And we're coming out from the mainland up into the, see that lighter color? The colors of the water out here are amazing. Look at the sand out in that point to the right.
That one is showing. That one.
There's quite the waves out here today, though. Go ahead, look over here.
Ignace.
Yeah, this is the Upper Peninsula. We're looking for cooler weather. There's more shopping over here. Mackinac is more tourist. St Ignace has more shopping and a lot of hotels. Right there, you can get a good view of the outside. That's where we often go.
They have a really cool stuff in there too. Look at the water. I think it did a really good job.
I'd like to go into this little museum over here. I've never been to this museum, okay? Go pull up.
Look at that. That rock house. That really neat.
Oh wow. Did you see that?
That really neat. Yeah. That's what I don't want. I think what's that in there? What's that in there?
There's a lot of inns and resort areas up here.
Yeah.
Up front you can see Castle Rock. And it's just a famous chunk of rock out there hanging out in the open. And you can climb it. I forgot what the fee is. We've climbed it.
The Castle Rock is there.
Yep. We've been there. Was it 2 years ago?
2 years ago, Michelle was only 1 year old.
Yeah.
There is. I got it.
Nice views. And I gotta figure out where we're going. Because the road ends right there. See that? Wow.
There we go. There's cow and there's an ass and a person. Then you climb in there on the top, and then you go in that rock in there.
All of a sudden I forgot his name. He's famous.
What's his name?
I just forgot.
Oh.
He's famous. We're just driving around looking for a quiet place, and here's something really cool. There's a spring right in front of our truck. I hope I can't see the display. See the water bubbling? It's a spring right there. Tiny little spring. That's so cool. And it's flowing up into a little stream. That is cool. Look at that. That's got to be pure and clean right there. That's the ferry. We go at a pretty good clip. He just came into the no-wake zone. Still cruising pretty good.
Wow, it's looking faster.
The water is really crystal clear. It's so clean up here. So pure. We're just literally getting away from the heat today and doing some videos and looking for rocks. Eventually we're going to polish rocks and sell them. So you can call it a business trip because we're making a video and we're looking for rocks. And it's pretty though. So peaceful here.
There's another pretty. Look there and there. Oh, a baby.
Doesn't even look like he's moving on camera. He's going pretty slow. It's amazing how he throws that up. When he kicks it in, it's really going to fly.
Now I'm orange.